Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel Bazaar Information. Today I will talk about the BIOCON quarter results and the things you all should know as an investor. First, we'll talk about the BIOCON company and the quarter one results of this company. We'll also discuss about the SWOT analysis for the investors and also about the strengths, weaknesses and opportunities in BIOCON. BIOCON on Friday posted a earning before interest and a tax of rupees 252.30 crore for the first quarter of the financial year 2021. There was a decline of 21% when compared with the corresponding quarter of the previous financial year. The net profit for the year was 167.8 crores and a decline of 26% year-on-year basis. This doesn't come as a surprise since COVID pandemic has lifted the fortunes of the several pharma companies. BIOCON already has been in the stable situation regarding the research and development regarding the semgli, which is an insulin excess chemical, and their new international partner Mylan. But this quarter has also seen them developing a new indigenous COVID-19 vaccine which goes for the human trial with the 200 COVID patients span India very soon. Their pre-tax profits mean that the investors will be looking at BIOCON with the positivity. We will discuss their complete company financials breakdown here, but for that you will have to watch the complete video and also subscribe to our channel. First, if you are new to the stock market and you want to start earning money on the regular basis from the stock market, then this is the correct time to open a demat account with the Angel Broking. Angel Broking is India's #1 full service broker with over 30 years of the trusted service to the trading industry. With an Angel Broking demat account, you get the best rates flat 20 INR per deal, and the first year account maintenance charges are absolutely zero. And also, to get to build your portfolio with the help of the artificial intelligence driven ARQ robo order that chooses your salary, age, income and investment choice to select the best earning stocks for you. To avail all of these benefits, you will have to open a demat account with the link mentioned below in the description below immediately. You don't have to pay a single penny. It is absolutely free of cost. So, coming back to the topic. BIOCON Limited is an Indian biopharmaceutical company based in Bangalore, India, and the founder of the company, as you may know, is Kiran Mazumdar. So you should know that the company manufactures generic APIs, that is the active pharmaceutical ingredients that are sold in over 120 countries across the globe, including the developed markets of the US and the Europe. It also manufactures the novel biologics as well as the biosimilar insulins and the antibodies, which are sold in India as branded formulation. BIOCON's biosimilar products are also sold in both the bulk and the formulation forms in several emerging markets. In research services, Syngene International Limited is a public listed subsidiary of BIOCON. So, now we will discuss about why there is a decline in the net profit of BIOCON. This is due to the high expenses on R&D, lower profit share in the biosimilar business and the lower profitability in the research service segment, and this was said by the founder of the company. The expenses on R&D was 35% higher than the corresponding quarter of the previous financial year at rupees 107 crore. And because of the COVID-19 crisis, there was a slowdown in the operation, resulting in the flat slow growth of rupees 422 crore. BIOCON's biologics business, which had reported a degrowth of 21% during the previous quarter because of the COVID-19 related operational challenges, bounced back to register a growth of 19% per year on year at rupees 692 crore. One of the highlights of the quarter was the USFDA approval for the semgli, which will enable us to expand the patient across to our insulin glargine through our partner Mylan, as said Kristen Hemesher, the CEO and the Managing Director of the BIOCON Biologics. The company targets to have at least 8 biosimilars available in the developed markets through its partner by the end of the financial year 22, and the estimated market opportunity up to $33 billion. Earlier this month, The DCGI, that is the Drugs Controller General of India, had granted the restricted emergency use and given the approval for the company's novel drug itolizumab to treat the critical COVID-19 patients in India. Shows that the company has planned a 200-patient pan-India phase 4 trial to be conducted across 10 to 15 hospitals with a high caseload of serious COVID-19 patients. The study protocol has been submitted to the DCGI and we will commence the trial soon. So, we'll now discuss about the SWOT analysis for the investor. So, let us analyze the strengths and the weaknesses of the BIOCON so that you can determine whether it is a good time to invest in BIOCON or not. Strengths: 1. Rising net cash flow and the cash from the operating activity. 2. Company with a low debt. 3. Strong cash generating ability from the core business, improving cash flow from operation for the last 2 years. 4. Company with a zero promoter pledge. 5. Foreign investors or institution increasing their shareholding. 6. Near 52-week high. 7. Strong momentum, that is the price above short, medium and the long term moving averages. So, now we will discuss about the weaknesses. 1. Companies with a growing cost year on year for the long term projects. 2. Negative breakdown for support. 3. Mutual funds decrease their shareholding last quarters. 4. Decline in the net profit quarter on quarter. 5th. Decline in the quarterly net profit year on year. 6th. Decline in the net profit with the falling profit margin quarter on quarter. 7th. Decline in the quarterly net profit with the falling profit margin year on year. 8th. Declining profits every quarter for the last 2 quarters. 9th. Recent results declining operating profit margin and the net profits year on year. Now let's talk about the opportunities in BIOCON. 1. Brokers upgraded the recommendation or the target prices in the past 3 months. 2. RSI indicating the price trend. 3. Insiders bought stocks. Now let's talk about the threats in BIOCON. 1. Degrowth in the revenue, profits and the operating profit margin in the recent results quarter on quarter. 2. Increasing trend in the non-core income. 3. Stocks have a high PE. 4. Insiders sold stocks. These pointers clearly suggest that BIOCON is at a yearly high presently and the outlook seems to be bullish. However, after the quarterly results announcement, the stocks went down a bit by almost 3%. So it is to be seen whether it recovers the next week and continue its bull run. So if you are an investor, BIOCON is a perfect share to buy for the short and the long term. Hope I have made this clear to you all. With this, I end my video. If you are an investor and if you like my video, please give this video a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. We'll be bringing such interesting videos in this channel. Thank you.